Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's a Sunday afternoon and I'm about to do one of my most favorite things. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. I am super late to the party on this, but I have just recently gotten around to watching Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. Still out of breath. It has just left me inspired and I just feel like I need to declutter something, so that's what I'm going to do today. One area of my life that I feel could really use a little bit of a purge is my makeup collection. I'm not a huge makeup collector. I only really buy new makeup when I've run out of something. So I don't have a crazy collection, but I like to be able to fit my makeup into one makeup bag. And right now that makeup bag does not close. I am in the process of trying to detoxify, I guess, my makeup bag. I'm trying to switch over to more clean beauty products, and I've started that process a little bit. There's a couple clean beauty products that are in my makeup bag right now that I'm really liking, but I kind of want to just go through and get rid of some stuff that I'm really not using to make room for some new clean beauty products. So that is the inspiration behind today. Ugh. I also seem to wear overalls every time I'm decluttering anything, so fabulous. This is my makeup bag from Sage, says you're a natural. This is everything. So I think I'm first just going to separate things into categories and then we're gonna go from there. So here is everything broken up into categories. I've realized, as somebody who really doesn't ever wear eyeliner anymore, I have an excessive amount of eyeliners. For primers, these are the ones that I have. I have 2 of these, so I obviously really like them. I can't really get anything else out of this one, so I am going to recycle this. And I'm going to keep this one. This Smashbox Primerizer is an Alana Davison inspired purchase. I really did not like this. It broke me out and just maybe does not work for my skin tone. Not my skin tone, my skin type. So I'm going to pass this along to my mom. She has drier skin, so I think she would really like this. So coming your way, mama. So these are all of my foundation concealers. I actually use all of these. This is the foundation that I am using right now. If you couldn't tell by its completely disgusting state that it's in right now. It is the Sappho New Paradigm Liquid Foundation. It is a Canadian brand, which I love. The packaging is all sustainable, 100% recycled and recyclable. The foundation itself, I'm not a crazy fan of. I like that it's natural, so that's an A+ for me. So I'm going to keep this, but just kind of because it's all I have. This, again, very dirty, very well loved. This is the RMS Beauty Uncover Up. I love this concealer, and I will be repurchasing this till the day I die. Okay, you go sit with your friends there. Next up is powders. I have 2 different powders. This Hourglass one I've had the longest. I really wanted to like this powder, but this unfortunately broke me out like crazy. Every time I wore it, I would take my makeup off and I would have like 5 new pimples. So I'm going to pass this along to my mom. So this is gonna go to the mom pile. This is the powder that I got to replace the Hourglass powder. It's the RMS Beauty Unpowder, yes, Unpowder, and I really like this. It's just translucent, doesn't have any extra coverage, does the trick, so I'm going to hang on to this guy. Now next, I do bronzer. Again, I have 2 bronzers. I seem to have 2 of everything. So the first one is this Too Faced, there we go. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. If you are ever in Sephora, go smell this. Yes, just smell it. I really like this, but it's not natural. So once I'm finished with this one, I am going to be moving on to something else. This is a natural bronzer. This is the 100% pure cocoa pigmented bronzer. I do like this, although I find it very, very, very shimmery, and I don't love that. I don't use it just because I don't like how it looks on my skin. So I think I'm gonna pass on this. Again, maybe give it to my mom. My mom is getting an entire new makeup collection. Next up is blushes. I really like this blush. I like the color. But again, once I am done with this one, I'm going to be moving on to something that is more natural. I have my eye on a Kosas blush. This Benefit Dandelion blush I haven't used in a really, really long time. I have hit pan on it though. I think I am going to declutter this one. Next up for highlighters, I have two. I've used a lot of this. I am almost done with it actually. I think I am going to get rid of this guy, just simply because I found this one. This is the RMS Magic Luminizer. I love this. I've talked about this before. It's super beautiful, super natural highlight. I love this. So I'm going to put this into my little pile here. I guess I do eyes next. First things first, eyeshadow primer. I hate this. I don't think it works at all. My eyeshadow still creases and I'm just really not a fan, and it dries out my eyelids, so this is gone. As far as eyeshadow palettes go, I have two. They're both from Urban Decay. This one's the oldest one, so let's look at this guy first. This I know is very well loved. It's like nothing left. I don't ever reach for these. I'm kind of more into warm tone shadows now, so I'm going to declutter that. These colors are way more up my alley, but I really only use like maybe these 4 shadows, and I read some very disturbing information that there is talc, I think, in eyeshadow. Is it talc? I think it's asbestos. Yeah, I've read that there's asbestos in eyeshadow, which is disgusting. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this, and I have my eye on a Beauty Counter eyeshadow palette that has these very similar shades, so I think I'm gonna pass this one along to somebody else. I just really don't use that many shadows on a daily basis. To be completely honest with you, I usually just use bronzer. I have a couple of eyeshadow sticks. They're nude sticks. I really like this color. It's just a really nice kind of golden brown color, and I like that as kind of just a one all over the lid color, so I'm gonna hold on to that for now. These two, this one's very pink and this one's very cool toned brown, and I'm just not into it, so I'm gonna pass those ones along. And this is a purple eyeshadow. Yeah, don't know why I have that. Next up, I guess, would be eyeliners. I have one white eyeliner just for my inner eye, what's it called? Waterline. I don't really ever use it either, so I am going to get rid of this. Okay, Marie, look at me go. I have 2 liquid eyeliners, which is funny because I really, really never wear liquid liner anymore. This one's kind of old and worn out and dried out, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one's relatively new, and if I was going to do a liquid liner, I guess I would use this one. So I'm gonna hold on to this one for now. And I have 3 pencils. So this one pulls quite blue on me, gray blue, and I really, really don't like it. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one I'm just gonna kind of use up. I like to just smudge this along my lash line. So I'm gonna hold on to this one and get rid of this one as well. Next up is mascaras. I have the Milk Kush mascara. I do not really like what it does for my lashes, so I'm gonna pass that one along. I don't know how long I've had this for. I think if I need to ask, I should probably just know that it's not good. Yeah, this is dried out. I have a CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. I really don't like this. I really, really don't like this. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This is my favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I'm gonna say mascara one more time. Mascara. I'm gonna get rid of the old one that's dried out and keep the new one. I'm gonna keep you. And then I guess the last area here are lipsticks. This NARS liquid lipstick is so dry. I feel like I need to drink a gallon of water after using this, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I've got a couple of lip pencil things. Really don't like the shades of this. They're more pink, and I'm just not really a pink kind of girl, so I'm gonna pass those ones along. Same with this. I used to really like this sugar, what's it called? Fresh Sugar Berry lip conditioner. Just not my color anymore. The Fenty Gloss Bomb. I'm not sure about that. We're gonna hold on to this. This Clinique lipstick is a really beautiful color, but again, I find it quite dry, so I'm gonna pass that one along. This is the Glossier Generation G lipstick in the color Jam. It's the only color that I have that's that kind of raspberry jam color, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. I have one lip pencil. This is a Bite lip pencil. It's in a quite universal color. It matches my natural lip color really well, so I'm gonna hold on to that one as well. This is, I think this is really dark. Yeah, that color is way too dark for me, so I'm going to pass this on to somebody who has a darker skin tone. I really like these Bite Amuse Bouche liquefied lipsticks. My favorite color though I think is Chai, so I'm gonna hold on to that. I also really like Chutney. They're just kind of warm brown colors. This one is more pink, and I again just really not a pink fan. Give that one to my mom. I have two Bite lip crayon pencil things. I find these really dry, and I found other formulas that I like better, so I'm gonna pass those on as well. I have two Burt's Bees lipsticks. They're both reds. I like these a lot better than the Bite ones. They're very moisturizing, so I'm going to hold on to those, and they're natural and they're from the drugstore and they're really affordable, so I really like this formula. This right here is my favorite. This is the RMS Beauty. This one's in the color Brain Teaser, and it lasts really well all day. I'm going to hold on to this. I really, really like this. I never wear lip gloss. I find it just gets stuck in my hair, so I've decided I'm going to get rid of this. Gonna go. Okay, here's everything that's left. This is everything that I am holding on to. This over here is everything that I'm getting rid of. If I do say so myself, I think I'm gonna take the opportunity to just give this makeup bag a bit of a wipe because she gross. So that is it for me. That is the finished product. Everything fits inside of the makeup bag. The makeup bag closes. The makeup bag fits inside the drawer, and the drawer closes. Thank you, Marie Kondo. I would like to thank Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in a new video. Bye!